What's up, everybody? As always, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you can be here. Today we're going to be talking about a perk that is pretty popular with one of the AMEX cards that I have, the Delta Platinum SkyMiles card. Now with this, one of the reasons a lot of people get the card is for the companion fare. Now with the Platinum SkyMiles card, you get a companion fare where if you buy one ticket at full price, you actually get a second ticket where all that you have to pay are taxes and fees, and they're capped to $75, which means that although the card has a $250 annual fee, you can easily recoup that by simply taking one trip per year. Now, while numerous people have the card, the question is, I have the card, when do I get the companion certificate? How do I redeem the companion certificate? And what exactly is involved? And that's what this video is here to show you. So first things first, when do you get the companion certificate? When you sign up for this card, it is not issued upon sign up. As far as everything that I know, and unless a change has happened that I am not aware of, but I highly doubt it, once you sign up for the card, you have to wait a full year. And on your first year of paying the annual fee, again, after you've had the card for a year, then you are awarded the companion certificate. Now, this certificate is loaded directly onto your SkyMiles account because you have to be a SkyMiles member in order to have the card, so it just makes everything very convenient. Now, as far as what you use the SkyMiles companion certificate for, if you have the Platinum card, we're not going to get into the Reserve, the Platinum card is useful for all fares except for basic economy fares. So you need to get a main cabin fare, and there are all sorts of fare classes on the Delta website that you'll see. Just understand, if you have an E fare, that is a economy fare, and that will not be eligible for use with your certificate. Now with the Platinum card, the ticket that you can buy up to a main cabin ticket. If you buy a Comfort Plus, not gonna work unless you upgrade after the fact. But that's just a whole nother ball of wax, so we won't get into that. The nuts and bolts are, you buy a main cabin ticket, you get another one just for the remainder of the taxes and fees. That's how it works, but once again, please be sure when you're doing your booking that you are not booking an e-fare. So when you look at some of the bookings, which I'll show you later, and I'll go ahead and point it out, it will actually have a little letter that shows you the fare class. Some of them are discounted class, some of them are full fare classes. But what you do not want is an e-fare. Now, I've repeated that a couple of times because it's very important if you want to successfully use your certificate. Now, another thing about the companion certificate is that it is for round trip tickets. It is not for one ways. It is not for open jaw tickets. You have to book a round trip. So wherever you're booking, wherever you're going, make sure you understand you got to come back. Other than that, other tickets will not be eligible. So before we get into the click-through tutorial and how to use, a couple of more things. One thing is that the companion certificate is actually transferable. So if you have a Delta Platinum SkyMiles card and you for some reason can't use the companion certificate yourself, you can actually transfer it to another Delta member. So let's say you have player 1 and player 2 who cannot use the certificate. But let's say player 2 and player 3 can. Player 1 can actually transfer the certificate to player 2, so player 2 and player 3 can use the certificate and it does not go to waste. Now, the caveat to that is that when you do that, the credit card that pays for the booking has to be the original SkyMiles Delta card that the certificate was logged under. So player 1's card still has to pay for the original ticket, but it can actually be transferred, and two other people aside from the actual account holder can use this fare. So now that segues us into the fact that these fares do expire. Normally you'll get one at the beginning of when you pay the annual fee, and sometime around the end of January of the following year or so, there'll be an expiration. Well, at least there was for mine, because my card renews in November, so I have until the end of January, a year later, to use it, And since I did an upgrade on my card, I didn't have to wait the year since I went from a blue straight to a platinum. I know. I missed on the sign up bonus, but hey, I still got a free ticket. Now, the constraints of the companion fare is that you can only use it in the lower 48 states. You can't fly from mainland America to Hawaii. You can't go to Alaska. You can't go to U.S. territories such as Puerto Rico and the like. But if you live in Alaska and your flight originates from there, you can actually use it as a round trip to the lower 48 states. You just can't go to Hawaii and other territories of the U.S. The same thing if you live in Puerto Rico, the same thing if you live in Hawaii. So really and truly, the people who get the most value out of this are people who actually don't live in the lower 48. But if you do, like me, I live at the extreme corner of the country. I live in South Florida. So for me, if you live on the East Coast, your best bet is to use this on transcontinental flights. That is where you would get the absolute most value out of it. And in some cases, if you need an emergency flight for two and you want to save a little money, you can actually do that as well. That too is an option. But for me, I'm going to be using my companion fare to go to San Francisco from Florida. That gets me great miles, gets me a great amount of MQMs. Yeah, maybe not MQDs because I'm saving a ton of money, but with this, I'll end up canceling at least 2 years of the annual fee that I'm already going to pay anyway, so I call that a good value. So speaking of San Francisco, what I'm going to show you now is we're going to segue into a video of me actually doing the redemption. So we're going to walk through it step by step. Now, if you have a companion certificate, just remember, even if you're not booking, you can always feel free to log into your Delta account when you go to the website. Log into your Delta SkyMiles account. You can actually go to My Delta. You can go to your profile. You can check your wallet because any e-certificates or fare credits will be located there as well. So you can be cognizant of that as well so you know where your certificate is when you want to use it. Now, the best thing is that Delta has upgraded their page. So when you log in to your SkyMiles account, as you're searching for flights, there's actually a little box and you'll see it when we go to the next phase of the video where it will say use my e-certificate slash, you know the jargon, but there'll be a little box so if you have credits they can easily be applied. It's part of what their vast upgrades that they're doing, which I cataloged in a video about new SkyMiles update. I'll go ahead and link that here and in the description. Now, as you can see, I'm on Delta's website. Here's your splash screen here. I'm not logged in yet, just showing you what it looks like when everything is entered. Now, this is before you log into your Delta account. So now once I hit the login, I've skipped the part where you see my credentials because there's no point in that. And it resets the entire page. So now because we're using a companion certificate, we need 2 passengers. We're gonna redo our origination point, which is gonna be PBI, West Palm Beach. Where are we going? San Francisco. So that's gonna be SFO. Now we already know it's gonna be a round trip, so we don't mess with that. And now we're gonna go to our dates. And the dates I am looking for is December the 1st to the 5th. I just gotta get faster with my clicking here. And finally, we've made it to December. So now we have that here. Let's go ahead and click done. Now, if you notice under advanced search, if you click that, that opens up what kind of fares. Now remember, I said basic economy is going to be a no-go. We don't want e-fares. So we click main cabin and you see the use e-certificates and it brings you right to this splash screen. So now that we're at the landing page for here, you'll see I scroll down here and you'll see that also it's a fully transferable companion certificate. So there's identification number and expiration date. So we click that, we get a confirmation, and now it shows my card and the fact that I am using my certificate. But the Delta page likes to reset everything, but now, so we have our origination and our departure, round trip is set, but we need to go ahead and put the dates of the flight back in, both departure and arrival. So I'm clicking a little faster now, like I've used a computer before. I want the 1st to the 5th. Okay, everything else looks good. So then we click through here, get our little loading screen because we want to savor the flight and la-di-da. And there it is. Now it has us pick our flights. So the whole point of this is to pick the most expensive flight that you can get, because it will be mitigated by the fact that you get another one for free. But for me, a part of this is that it needed to be a convenient time schedule for me to check into the hotel once I got there. So I chose this $3.99 one to leave, and for our return flight, as you can see, at 6 a.m., I'm not getting up early. But that 518 looks fantastic, and you'll see what kind of fare it is. It's an L fare. You see L, you see X. These are the fare codes that I was referring to earlier. Just understand that if you see a fare code with the letter E, you cannot book it as a companion ticket. It will be ineligible. So let's go ahead and pick that 518, and let's lock that in. So now we're waiting here, we're loading. We are loading, and there it is for express checkout. So as you can see here, the total amount due. Now we have 2 tickets from Florida all the way to San Francisco for a grand total of $564.40, which is beautiful. It is fantastic. So you just split that in 2, and those are the cost of both tickets. Both tickets are mitigated. So as you can see here, status dictates that we'll get free checked bags. And also another caveat is that who you fly with, your companion, must be a SkyMiles member as well. Do not forget that. You can't just take some rando. They have to be a SkyMiles member. And you'll see all the MQMs, the miles, and the MQDs I will earn for this. So that is conveniently located at the bottom here on this express checkout page. And even still, if you wanted to use anything to mitigate the cost of this, as you can see, a Delta gift card is actually available. If you have one, you can use that as well. Now remember, as a little bit of a travel hack, remember that when you use regular fares, if you use a gift card, the remainder becomes an incidental to the fare and has been known to trigger the Platinum card, the AMEX Platinum cards, airline incidental credit. So let's complete the purchase. All right, now it's booked. So as you can see here, everything is done. My record locator is on there. The cost of the flight is on there. Everything's all set. My companion certificate number is on there. And we are all good to go. And there it is, just like that. In about 5 minutes, if you already know where you're going, you know who your player 2 is, get your seats selected, you too can get a buy one, get one fare. Pay your taxes, chop them in half, and look, you get across the country for a couple $100. For less than some of these expensive sneakers that are out here, you now have 2 tickets across the country. It's just that easy. So if you've gotten some value out of this, which I hope that you have, I hope that you enjoyed the video, please feel free, hit the thumbs up, please subscribe. We have a great community growing. Definitely looking forward to having more subscribers. And as always, you know, I never leave it out. Please hit me with the comments, questions, whatever you have, I can help. Whether I can, whether I can't, it doesn't matter. I will always try to help. I will always talk to anybody who talks to me. I work a lot, so some of my responses come at very odd hours because I normally work nights, but I still love the interaction. I love talking to you guys. So that is it. That is the whole booking process. I appreciate you sitting through the end of the video. And until next time, take it easy.